Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. So today meron tayong bagong video and this is my pasalubong haul with try-on or parang first impression na rin. So everything that I'm wearing right now except for my eyebrows and mascara ay galing sa pasalubong ni Daddy sa akin from his recent trip from the Philippines. So actually pwede na rin sana yung gawing husband buys my makeup ka. So sinabi ko kasi siya sa kanya yung mga shades, kung ano yung mga pinabibili ko. Hindi siya yung nag-isip or namili. But anyway, without further ado, I'm gonna share with you ang mga makeup na ginamit ko sa aking fest na I am so in love with. So first of all, with the foundation na ginamit ko ay none other than the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte. And ang pinakuha kong shade sa kanya is Fresh Beige 107. And actually, kaya ako nagpabili nito kasi nakita ko sa Facebook page ng L'Oreal na naka-sale sila from May 19 to 21. So, sakto, yung last day ni Daddy, May 19. Naabutan niya pa to, pumunta siya sa mall para bumili nito. So, from 700, 350 na lang. Kasi dito sa Singapore, hindi pa siya available. Meron mga nagbibenta online kung nakita, pero medyo mahal. Nasa 24, 25, ganun. So, sabi ko yung bumili ganyan. Pero buti na lang, nag-sale, sakto. I think yung Infallible line nila nakasale hanggang bukas, Sunday. And then next, on my cheeks, I am wearing this EB Advanced Blush Duo in the shade Golden Goddess. Nakita ko lang to sa IG or sa Instagram ng Ever Bilena. Oh, wow, ang ganda naman. I like the shade. Yun. Ang ganda ng shade ng blush. I don't know if you can see, pero meron na siyang konting highlight, may shimmer na. Hindi na rin ako nag-highlight eh. Kasi kung malapitan, makikita mo na merong gold speck sa mukha mo. And then, yung bronzer is also perfect. Hindi siya ganun sa face, katapang. And then, my most favorite item from this haul is, tada! Hindi pa kita. Oh, ayan, yung It's Judy Time na collaboration with Pixie, which is I'm sure lahat kayo alam nyo na to. Hindi ko inasahan na magkakaroon ako na ganito. Tinry ko lang si Daddy. Sabi ko, if you're feeling galante, you can buy this for me. Kasi sinend ko yung picture. And then, hindi ko inasahan. Binili niya nga. So, yeah, I'm one happy wife. And on my lips naman, I have three shades ng EB Advanced Limited Liquid Lipsticks. Kasi ang tagal ko na rin to. Ang dami ko napapanood ng mga review or mga swatches nito. Nainggit ako since wala naman to dito. And it's only 180 pesos. Sabi ko, I have to get one. So, pabili akong tatlo. Cashmere Blush, which is this one. I also did swatches sa video na to. So, wait for that. Cashmere Blush, Skinny Dip, and what I'm wearing right now is a Chocolate Truffle, and I love it. So, if you wanna see how I applied itong makeup na to, then keep on watching. Okay, so let's start. First of all, we'll do the foundation. I only have the Eye White Korea Moisturizer sa aking face. And yeah, hindi na ako magpa-primer kasi gusto ko nga ma-test out kung if this is really matte. So, Infallible Pro Matte number 107 Fresh Beige. Ito yung pinakuha ko kay Daddy kasi ito yung second to the darkest. So, pinaka-dark is Caramel Beige and then ito. So, yeah. I'm crossing my fingers that match siya sa akin. And, ito din kasi yung perfect shade ni Anne. So, I'm hoping na pareho kami. So, yes. Okay. Sealed naman siya. Safe. Wow. Liquidy. See? Oh my gosh. Parang nag-separate yung oil. Oh my gosh. Sana hindi siya bad batch. Kinakabahan ako. Kaya baka siguro nag-sale. Sana. Hindi ko alam kung kailan yung manufacturing. Okay, again, let's try it. Okay. Medyo okay na siya. Kailangan na i-shake. Oil-free daw eh. Pero bakit parang may oil yun? So, Tignan mo natin yung half of my face. Sorry. And I'm using a wet or a damp Real Techniques sponge. I like the I like the shade. I think this is my shade. Hindi siya maputi. Konting-konti pala yung nilagay ko, and I think okay naman yung coverage niya so far. And hindi siya malagyan. Parang wala nga akong nalagay eh. Parang medyo powdery yung finish. O baka dahil na nahigop na lahat ng sponge. Okay, so let's put on the other side. In fair. Sobrang matte. But the true test is yung kung gaano siya katagal matte. So right now, parang wala lang. Very lightweight. Parang, pag hinawakan ko, parang may powder yung face ko. Parang powdery finish. And I feel like match naman siya sa skin tone ko. Although parang mas maputi pa din tong balikat. Kasi medyo, kitang-kita ko yung pagka-yellow undertone niya talaga. Okay, so I think that's it for the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte. Again, my shade is 107 Beige. And I like it. I think it's perfect sa aking skin tone. I like the coverage. I like the texture or yung feeling na parang may powder ka lang sa face. And yeah, I think one layer or 1 to 2 layer is enough sa akin. Hindi ko kinapalan. Parang feeling ko ang konti lang nilagay ko, pero feeling ko ang ganda na ng ano niya, ng coverage. So, I'm just gonna put some concealer and then we'll proceed to the next. Okay, next naman, let's move on to the eyes and let's use this. I'm so excited. This is so pretty. I'm sure this is not new to you naman. Sobrang marami nang gumawa ng tutorial. But, yeah, I don't know what to use today. Ang ganda ng mga shimmery shadows. Tignan natin kung ano makakam up kong look. Hindi naman kasi, wala naman akong special occasion today. Gusto ko lang mag-makeup. So, yeah. Okay, so, for the crease, I'm gonna start with etong dalawang shade na to paghahaluin ko, which is Honey Bear and Good Morning for the crease. Ay, wala pala mirror. Sana may mirror na lang to. Wow. So, there. And then, for the whole lids, gamitin ko yung It's Mommy's Life, this one, kasi it looks so nice. I'm just gonna use my fingers kasi pag ganitong colors, mas magandang fingers para talagang napupush mo siya sa iyong eyelid.
Cause the both of us, we risked it all, we gambled both our hearts on love, so here we are, too mad to stay, too sad to leave.
Okay, balikan ko lang konti yung crease kasi parang naubos na yung nilagay ko. And then, para mag-darken yung outer V, I'm gonna put, wait, hanap na ako ng brush. Ping! This one. For the outer V.
Some
Okay, so disclaimer lang guys, hindi ako makeup artist, hindi rin ako sobrang galing maglagay ng makeup, but I do what I can. I do the best that I can based sa mga nakikita ko lang din, napapanood ko lang din sa YouTube, doon din naman natuto. So, kung tsak ka, pasensya na. Pero, sa akin mukha namang okay. Blend lang natin konti. And yeah, wala siyang matte na highlighter for the brow bone. Kulang siya. But, first impression, I liked it. Especially yung mga colors na ginamit ko. This one, I super love. Ito, maganda to pareho for the crease. And yung ginamit ko din sa outer V. Parang, dapat pala ito yata ginamit ko. Yung Choco Brown. Wait. Choco Brown. Pinangalanan ng kusa, no? Oh, snap! Oh, snap yung yung brown. Wait, dagdagan na yung natin. Kasi parang mas maganda yun. Okay. Oh. Kung may naririnig kayo mga nag-aaway na bata, or naririnig yung boses ni Daddy, pasensya na. Mas maganda yung brown. I don't know if perfect yung blending ko, pero that looks okay for me. So, yan ang kinalabasan ating eyeshadow. And, I like it. I think I will be forever biased to Judy, no? Kahit siguro crappy to, sasabihin ko pa rin maganda. Pero sa totoo, walang halong biro, I like it. Ang ganda nito. I love it. Pag ikakasal ako, ulit. Pag kinasal kami ulit ni Daddy, ito yung papagamit ko sa aking eyes. Kasi, super, super pretty. I can't get enough. Anyways, so yeah, that's it for the eyeshadow kasi sobra na. If only I know how to put on false eyelashes. So, mamaya ko natapusin yung eyes ko. Let's proceed to the cheeks. Okay, so I have the Everbilena Blush Duo in the shade Golden Goddess. Okay. And, ang ganda rin itong nung inisort ko kagabi. I love the shade nitong blush na to. Hindi ko alam ha, pero parang may pagka-nurse orgasm yung dating niya sa akin. Mag-contour muna tayo konti, best, kahit na hindi ako ganun ka-marunong. Pero yan, gagamitin ko tong bronzer. Nagtakot ako. Subtle lang siya, hindi siya talagang in your face. Or, hindi, parang enough naman yung kinukuha ko. Pero, hindi siya ganun ka-pigmented. Which is okay for a bronzer. Kasi ayaw mo naman na bigla. Magugulat ka na lang pag apply mo is OA. I think this is just enough. Okay, I think that's enough contouring. Pag sa personal, parang wala lang. Pero pag kita ko sa camera, oh my gosh. Okay, so we'll put on the blush, which is I'm so excited. Parang may kasama na rin siyang highlight konti eh. So, siguro I don't need to put on highlight today. Ang ganda niya. I don't know kung napipick up siya ng camera. Pero, in person, I can see it. Meron siyang konting highlight. Shimmer, shimmer. So pretty. So pretty. Okay! I'm so excited. Ganda. Ganda best. I love it. And this is only for 220 pesos. And you get 2 products. So, 110 for each. I think, sulit na yun. Okay, so for EB Advanced Blush Duo naman, obviously from my reaction, I loved it. Ang ganda niya, ang ganda ng color ng blush, and then yung bronzer or yung pang contour is sakto lang, tama lang, hindi siya ma-orange, and hindi siya talagang in your face na contour. So, yeah, and for 220 pesos, I think panalo na siya. So, I want to get more kasi meron pang isang baked fig. Parang ang ganda rin nung ano niya, nung shade. Medyo mauvey yung blush niya. Oh, I like. Okay, next one is itong EB or ano ba to? EB Advanced Limited Liquid Lipstick. So, I have 3 shades na isa-swatch natin sa aking labi. I have... Okay, let's start with this. Cashmere Blush. Ito yung pinaka-lightest dito sa tatlo na meron ako. So, you will see. Do I have something like this color? I don't know. But, yeah, try natin to.
Just go and go and you're just going and going, just going and going in circles. I'm just going and going, you're just going and going, just going and going in circles. Oh, hopeless case, oh, hopeless case.
Alright. Grabe, ang bright niya tignan sa camera. Pero hindi naman siya ganito ka-bright sa in person. Pero, ayan, hindi ako normally nagsusot ng ganitong lipstick. So, let me know. Bagay ba sa akin? Kasi, I'm more on purples. Basta dark, mga dark lipsticks. Mabihira ako mag-pink or mag-nude, yung mga light. Pero, ayan. What do you think? Bagay ba? So, this is, again, Cashmere Blush. Okay. Next, I don't have a tissue. Wait a minute. Okay, just remove it first. Ano naman siya? Hindi naman siya sticky. And hindi ko masabi kung drying siya sa lips kasi hindi ko pa siya na-wear test. Pero sa first impression, medyo ano naman, parang medyo creamy, powdery yung feeling niya. Pero parang itong shade na to, parang tong shade na to, parang medyo nag-patchy. Medyo hindi even yung application. So, let's try this shade, which is Skinny Dip. Sana okay. Medyo light brown yung color niya. Ay, hindi! Akala ko light brown. Bakit pag sa bottle, titignan mo, nakakaana. Parang deceiving yung color nung takip. Color nung nakikita mo. Kasi parang hindi yun yung nasa lumalabas. Okay, so this is Skinny Dip. Although, medyo na-disappoint ako kasi parang ang lahi ng color from the from the, what do you call, the packaging dun sa lumabas sa lips ko. Pero, gusto ko pa rin yung shade niya. I like it. Medyo nude-nude na kasi like I said, I rarely wear nude lipstick, and this kind of shade, I think I can live with. Yes. Ganda. Medyo merong konting sticky, pero siguro magsiset pa yan. But, yeah, para ito tuloy gusto kong suotin ngayon. I like it. Actually, mas bagay itong lipstick na to sa eyeshadow ko, no? Pero, for the sake of swatching, I'm gonna remove it, and then we'll try the chocolate truffle, which is the last one. So, we'll see. I'm not sure kung ganito rin ba ka-dark yung lalabas. We'll see.
Oh, hopeless case, the two of us. We give and take,
Bongga siya, girl. I love it. So, again, this is color Chocolate Truffle. And that's how it looks like on my lips. Parang vampira lang, oh. Pero, I like it. And, nag-assume ako actually, kasi kanina diba yung first color or yung first shade na tinry ko, medyo patchy. Sabi ko, normally sa mga liquid lipsticks, yung mga dark colors yung patchy. Pero, nagtaka ako dito, hindi. Parang hindi naman isang, parang yung pagdaan ng applicator dito sa lower lip ko, covered niya naman lahat agad. And hindi siya, yung usually nga kasi patchy, pag isang swipe mo ganyan, pagbalik mo, nabubura. Or parang nakikita ulit yung color ng lips. Or nagpipick through yung lips. Wait lang, yung shape, di ka ma-perfect. Ang aking yan. And comfortable naman sa lips, hindi kasi magme-mention ako ng brand, yung ColourPop. Talagang dry siya sa lips kasi pagka nasuot ko na yon, yung kahit mabilis siya matuyo, di ba? Which is a good thing. Pero pag natuyo na siya, pag gumano ka, parang ramdam mo talaga na meron kang something sa labi mo. Pero this one, comfortable pa rin siya. Feel mo na may lipstick ka, pero yung parang normal lipstick lang. So, I don't know kapag natuyo na siya later. So, yeah, sa akin, thumbs up tong Ever Millennial Liquid Lipstick Limited. Or Limited Liquid Lipstick. So, they have 12 shades if I'm not mistaken. So, parang gusto ko pang kumuha ng ibang shades. Pero, 3 lang muna yung binilin ko kay Daddy. So, that's it, guys. Dito nagtatapos ang ating pasalubong haul / first impression. So, I hope nag-enjoy kayo. Lahat naman ng binilin ko kay Daddy ay thumbs up sa akin lahat. Walang patapon. Yung siguro yung isang shade lang ng lipstick na hindi ako sanay sa ganong color. Pero still, it looks good. So, yeah. I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. So, kung meron pa kayo ibang requested videos, don't forget to leave them down below. Give this video a thumbs up kung nag-enjoy kayo, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed. So yeah, I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye!
Another day, another